In this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to go over getting your GitHub account. So probably the easiest way is just to go to a Google search and type in GitHub, and it should be your very first link. If not, you can always just go to github.com. And we're not going to sign in because this is our very first time. We're going to go to sign up. So just click on sign up. And the first thing that they're going to get you to do is enter in your email address. Remember to use your @mths.ca one. So yours will be, once again, first name dot last name, your first name dot your last name @mths.ca. You're going to have to create a password. It might be useful to use the same one that you used for your Google account. There is restrictions. It has to be at least 8 characters. It has to have a number, an upper, lowercase, and probably a special character as well. You're going to have to enter in a username. Now this is very important because if you pick something obscure that I can't understand, I'm not going to know it's your work. So what we're going to do is we're going to use just your first name dot last name. So in my case, I'm going to use test.student as my GitHub username. You would use your first name dot your last name. Oh, I forgot that you can't use capital letters. And you can't use a dot, you have to use an underscore. Sorry, a hyphen. There we go. So, as you can see, while I was doing this, it was telling me that I was doing something invalid, and test.student is not available because some other teacher has probably done this. So I'm going to use, it's also not available. I'm going to pick that. There we go. So actually I'm going to pick empty. So you have to keep fidgeting around until you actually get a username that will work. Please make sure that your first name and your last name are in there so that I know that it's actually you. And then hit continue. You can either accept product updates or not. It's completely up to you. Okay, then you have to verify that you're really a person and not a computer. So, got to go through the process of doing this. And then you hit create account. Google Chrome might want to see if you want to save your password, and you can do that if you want. If you do that when you log in at home with the same Google account, it should remember your password. So you're almost done. You have to enter in a code that they sent to your email. So if you just open up your Gmail account, you should see an email from GitHub right here. And there's the number. Not sure if you can copy and paste it. You can't copy and paste. 950523. And you'll notice as soon as I typed it in, you didn't have to press enter or anything. It knew what was happening and updated. So it's just going to ask you a couple questions. How many team members will you be working with? At the moment, it's just going to be you. Are you a student or a teacher? Obviously, you're a student. and it's going to ask you a couple things of what you're interested in, and we're just going to pick the first one here. And we're just going to pick the free account. We don't need to pay for anything. And there we go, we're in. Okay, so that's how you actually get access to your Google account. To create one, once you're done creating one, logging in will be much easier next time.